We would like to remind you that carrying narcotics and drugs is violation of the law. Living without this are imposed for disregarding this law. Any person who commits electronic interfere with flight navigation or destroying aircraft equipment such as life vests will be punished in accordance with the applicable law. Thank you.
Terobos awan. Daftar Josan.